Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you a breakfast or snack recipe called Rava Dhokla. Please note down the ingredients. 1 cup water, 1 cup fine rava, 1 cup curd, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon sugar, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon fruit salt, and for tempering some curry leaves, half teaspoon mustard seeds, pinch of hing, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. First take rava in a mixing bowl, add curd in it and mix it. Add little quantity of water and mix it well. Look at the consistency of the batter. It should look like this as shown. Now cover it with lid and keep it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add some oil, sugar, salt and mix it thoroughly. Add some water to make the batter little slushy. Look at the batter. Now it's not much thin or not thick. Finally add some fruit salt, that is ENO, and add 1 teaspoon of water in it to activate the ENO. Now mix it gently. I missed to mention one thing. Put the water into the cooker and preheat for a minute. Take a thali, grease it properly and pour this batter in it. Drop this thali into the cooker without whistles and allow it to steam for 15 to 20 minutes. So now after 15 minutes our dhokla is ready. Let us cut the dhokla in small diamond shaped pieces. So for the tempering, take some oil in small pan. Add curry leaves, mustard seeds, sesame seeds and hing. Once it is crackles, switch off the flame. Quickly pour it and spread it evenly on the dhokla. And garnish with some coriander leaves. It is ready to be served now. And look at the fluffiness. Isn't it looking yummy? This is perfect recipe of snack or breakfast. All ingredients are always available at home. Now it is ready to serve with the chutney. And enjoy. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.